Today, I'm going to show you a boring AI business that you can start right now as a complete beginner with zero tech skills, zero funding, and not a lot of time. And this business is so boring, my dog is barely going to stay awake through this video. Now, this isn't going to be something as sexy as all the vibe code promises you hear on YouTube these days, but this is going to be a legitimate service that you can offer for monthly recurring revenue to any local business, not even in your own city, anywhere in the world. So what is the problem that we're solving? So the problem is basically when leads come into a business, they are calling from Google Maps, they're clicking on a contact form on the website, and what happens? In a lot of cases, businesses are spending money to get new leads to call their business where they ring, 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 and the businesses don't answer. And what is a customer going to do? They're going to call the next business, all right? In a lot of cases, especially if we go here to Google Maps, you'll see these businesses up here at the top. What are they doing? What do you notice? They are sponsoring this placement. That means they are spending money for Google to put them at the top of the list so that somebody's going to try to call them. And if the business doesn't pick up immediately, what are they going to do? They're going to come down to the next one and call and call and call, where these guys paid for getting leads and they didn't convert them. And it happens more than you would expect. 62% of incoming calls do not get answered on the first go around, and oftentimes they don't even get a call back. All right. That is the big problem we get to solve. In fact, there's another survey I saw where it says 28% of calls go completely unanswered, and 85% of unanswered calls never get a call back or never call the business back there. So that is a massive leak. This is why this is a boring business, because we're not solving new problems. We're solving persistent problems that have been here since the beginning of time, which is just businesses not following up and getting money when it comes to their door. You're going to help them capture that and solve all the leaks inside of their inbound problems. Now, we covered here this online Google Maps issue where you're going down the list. You're just trying to get a business to solve your problem. Let's say you've got pipes leaking downstairs. It's an urgent problem. You want to get quick response. The problem with all these small businesses like plumbers, roofers, things like that is oftentimes the business owners are not just sitting there waiting for the call, and they oftentimes don't even have full-time receptionists to answer the phones for them. Can you imagine if you were one of these businesses and you were out there actually working with a customer? You were either on the line with another customer or you're actively working on an air conditioning system or a plumbing pipe situation, and you're missing calls. Well, the problem actually gets much worse than that, because that's just one way that leads come into a business in 2026. Here's several more. One, we talked about a call doesn't get an answer. Or a very common one, they'll go to your website, they'll be interested, they'll fill out the contact form, and it gets buried in the small business's inbox. Or another way, businesses say, no, I do call my leads back, but they call them back like 4 hours later, and they've already moved on and totally forgotten about you. Or if you book a call or a meeting or a first step and you don't have a good follow-up system in place and the lead just forgets about the booking they set. Or the follow-up. Once somebody comes into your system, is anybody actually following up and making sure that lead converts into a booked client? Now, notice that none of this is screaming AI. This is just classic doing good business, but this is where AI and systems and software can absolutely solve that problem in a better way now than it ever could in the past. In fact, I run my own business here. You see, I've got 3 awards for having over 2,500 paying software users in my own software account. You come on down here to the award winners here for this software. My company is one of the few that made it up there into the Diamond Award, which is the highest award they offer. And so I'm not just some guy on the internet that just tells you, oh, do these things. I'm actively doing these things. AI answers comments for me every hour. It answers all my emails for me, and it allows me to spend my time on the high value clients or the high value activities like making free content like this for you on YouTube. So if you're getting value of this so far, please do me 3 quick little favors. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I am trying to grow it this year, believe it or not. Also, like this video if you think I'm giving you some good value. And finally, leave me a comment down below. I will review all of them. My AI might answer it first, though, and it will give you all of my templates and scripts that I use to actually implement the processes that are making me to the highest level of award in this boring business. In fact, if you do comment down below, I'll send you my full course as well as all my bonuses that I'm giving to folks just to get them up and started, including templates, websites, done for you, GPT tools, everything you need to be successful, including a free one-on-one kickoff call with the team. All right, so at this point, we have determined the problem. Businesses are not capturing their leads. So what is the solution? Well, this is the boring automation. I'm calling it the lead recovery system. You can give it your own fancy name. In fact, in my bonuses, I have an offer naming system, which is really, really cool. So be sure to check that out. Give me some feedback on that as well. I've really enjoyed putting that together for you. But this is the lead recovery system where basically you were just making sure that you remove some of that human element. You have an AI that's always ready all the time to answer the phone, follow up, and make sure leads don't go to the next offer. And it works in basically 6 easy steps. And by the way, all the templates we're going to go through here are yours for free as well inside of my bonuses. So don't worry, since we're not going to have time to build it all out step by step, I've already done it for you. So here's the deal. It's an automated journey. Every lead needs the same thing. When a call comes in or a form comes in, they need a quick reply. And so we give them a reply within seconds, not hours. What does that do immediately? If a human doesn't pick up the phone, guess what? They get instant contacted by your AI and they don't even know it's a robot, right? It's an automation. That's what they need. And it's going to stop them from going to the next person and the next person in the list, basically saving you from a lost sale. Once they have gotten the reply, we're going to book them and qualify them very effectively through automation. And then finally, we're going to book them. We're going to make sure they stop looking for another business and we get them on our calendar. And once they're booked, we're going to remind them and track the entire experience step by step. And all of this is handled inside of a single AI software that has not only a 14-day, but a 30-day free trial. The idea behind that 30-day free trial, if you sign up with me, is you actually get profit before your first bill is ever actually due, which allows you to essentially stay in the black. Now you're going to see exactly how this entire workflow works in a second, but just to make sure it's not too overwhelming when I show it to you, this is what the first 60 seconds looks like in a very easy diagram. So, at second 0, the call comes in or the inquiry form is filled out. Within the first 5 seconds, they get a reply. Within the first 15 seconds, we know what that person needs. We know what that automation can serve us. And then in 30 seconds, we have already gotten them to book, or we've gotten them the opportunity to book on our calendar. And within the first minute, all that information, that's been processed by the AI is sent over to the owner. Kind of a fun fact, over 70 million calls were analyzed in a study recently in 2026. And what Invoca determined was that 64% of businesses on a call with a potential buyer, they never ask the caller to buy or to book the service. They just talk to them, answer their questions, and let them go. Our AI is going to be better than that. 100% of people that get contacted will be sent to book or to buy, which is just going to help your businesses get more results and continue to pay you. All right, so check it out. That's how easy it is on a timeline, and this is how easy it looks inside of an actual AI tool. And don't worry, if you sign up using my link, which you can get by commenting on this video, I'll send you a private link to everything you need here. It'll include this actual automation, which here's how it works. Whenever a lead comes in this example is coming in through Facebook, we're going to send them an email immediately. We're going to send them a text message immediately. We're going to wait for a reply, looking for a reply from either of those channels. And if they replied back with a positive response, we're going to send them to immediately book our service. If they gave us negative feedback, we'll send them to a survey link, which won't hurt our Google reviews or anything like that. And if they didn't reply back quickly, we're going to actually send them a phone call, drop a voicemail for them, and reach out to the owner, even putting them into a pipeline automatically. Now, this is kind of intense. Like, this is no basic automation. The best thing about it is it has AI powered in and out. All right. So for example, it's able to use AI to determine, is the person happy or sad? And based on an AI response, it can decide the next steps already programmed for you. And even better than that, if you don't understand how this works, all you do is ask AI to explain the workflow. I'll click that button and it is explaining everything that's happening in this. So even as a complete beginner, although you will get my personal help to work through all these problems, look at this. AI knows this system easily. in and out. And what's even crazier is if your contact wants to make some changes to it, you don't even have to know how to use all of these tools. All you have to do, click on this workflow AI, and you can tell it, let's say, for example, it wants to send 3 more text messages if they replied negatively. Please add 3 more text messages to the contact if the reply was negative after the survey link SMS step. Okay, I'm just saying what I want it to do, and I'm going to add it in. And now if you can see down here, AI is actually editing this entire automation for us, which means that try as you might, you probably can't even break it because AI's got your back. It'll make sure that you're setting things up the right way, and it can always double check your work if you want to go it alone. All right, while the AI works on making those changes we asked for, let's go ahead and continue here. It's always powerful to put the economics behind it when you're trying to sell to a business. So here's an example from actual data from CallRail, a massive phone company that has a lot of analytics. So for 100 inbound calls, let's say a business is getting 100 calls over the course of a week or something like that. If 28% goes unanswered, and I think that number is actually higher than 28%, but let's just go with this number here. If 28% go answered and 85% never call back, if the business is able to close 1 in 5, 20% is a pretty standard close rate, especially if people are coming in and calling the business. That's a pretty normal basis. And if a customer is worth on average $500. So this would be like a plumbing customer, an HVAC customer, or, $500 or more for a lot of those types of industries. If you do this math and look at the waste that's happening, the leak that's happening with their inbound system, they are losing on average $2,380 per 100 inbound calls. That's how the math works out, because every time a call is missed and they could have made that much money, they're losing a fraction of that. And so what that tells you is this is not a new problem, but it is a serious problem. And it's a problem that when businesses understand these economics, they are much more likely to pay to solve. And what I always like to do is to charge the services I'm offering based on the revenue I can demonstrate it can save for the customer. So, for example, if they're losing on average $2,400 per month, do you think they'd be willing to pay 10% of that, maybe $250 a month to solve that problem? Heck yes, they will. Maybe even 20%. Maybe they would charge, or they would pay $400, $500 per month just to solve this one problem. By the way, this is only one of many solutions we can offer for the many problems that are facing small businesses today. This is just a very good, you kind of feel it in your gut, because especially if people are spending on ads, they're just throwing money away with this problem. So this is a service I would easily be able to charge either $250, which is 10% of the lost revenue, or $500 at 20% of the lost revenue. The businesses will be able to see that value. And what's even better is services like this can oftentimes pay you twice. It can pay you once to set it up. I could charge between $1,000 and $2,000 to set this automation up, and then $250 to $500 per month to continue it running and with updates over time. Now, the important thing about selling a service like this is not to focus on the workflow itself, not to focus on all the buzzwords of the pipelines and the AIs and the triggers and the workflows. That's not what clients want. If you're talking to a plumber or a roofer or a carpenter or a painter, they don't want that. What they want is they want to reply to their customers quickly. They want more people on their calendar. They want to stop people from no-showing on their appointments, and they don't want to lose any leads. If you solve those problems, not just these little buzzwords, you're going to find much more success in your online business. You want to sell that outcome and just reveal the technology as just the way to achieve the outcome, not the solution itself. Now, I mentioned a second ago, $1,000 to set it up and $250 per month. It's not exactly set it and forget it. It can be, but I would charge a premium and add a little something special on it. And this is a tip that nobody talks about. They always want to be set it and forget it, but there's actually some benefit in doing this 4-step process. So step 1 would be to monitor, making sure the system is working. What does that look like? It looks like having your AI agent send you a message once a week, making sure that all your accounts are working correctly. It doesn't require any work from you specifically. But then you can actually improve it. What message earns more replies? You can actually tweak this for your client, and there's a big reason for that I'll show you in just a second. You might find out that a shorter response gets better feedback. stuff like that. You get to play with it and show the value you're giving to the business. You can also support them. When the business changes, you can make small adaptations as well. They change their hours, you tell your AI agent to update the hours inside the system. And here's where the magic is, the reporting step. Once a month, I recommend clients get on the phone or on Zoom with their client and they show them how many bookings were recovered, show them the analytics, show them that the AI is working behind the scenes 24/7. The benefit of that is if you have a particularly nice meeting with them, that's the perfect opportunity to sell them something else. Review management, voice AI receptions. There's a huge list of services you can sell between $100 and $1,000 per month per service per customer. And on, as we mentioned, this lead recovery system, this setup, which I give you the template inside my offers, you can install it for about $1,000, maybe $2,500 if you're really good at selling it, and if the customer understands the value. And then on top of that, $300 to $750 per month to manage it and to get your foot in the door for future services. Of course, every industry is a little bit different. People like lawyers and higher ticket value clients might be able to spend a little bit more than something like a restaurant or maybe like a handyman. They might not have the funds to be able to make that investment. So choose your niche, but also you can adjust that pricing up and down to fit your needs. And by the way, just quick little informational disclaimer here. Don't sue me. This is informational purposes only. I have thousands of clients. I know this stuff works, but I don't know you. I don't know if you're going to put work into it. I don't know if you're just going to take this video, sit on it and be like, oh, it doesn't work. You got to work a little bit. And I'm going to show you a 30-day plan inside my bonuses on what to do day 1, day 2, day 30 to get to that profit place. But just to wrap up here, you don't want to sell the automation. We are selling an automation. That is the solution. But the problem that we are solving is missed opportunities. And so that lead to response to booking to revenue, that storyline, that through line is what you're selling to the business. And you just happen to set it up with AI. Trust me, guys, I've had over 10 people full-time on my payroll as a company, and I would much rather work with an AI agent than work with a bunch of offshore workers. Nothing against them. They're amazing people. I love them all. But this is just a much easier business model. It's easier to manage. There's less office politics. There's so much to love about it. So final call out, if you want my completely free course, it also includes all the templates and the trainings and the scripts and the day-by-day what to do, as well as a one-on-one kickoff call and a 5-day live boot camp. 3 things I ask you to do for me. Number 1, please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to grow it. Number 2, like this video. I put some effort into it. I hope you can tell. Look at all the arrows and cool stuff I got going on here for you. And number 3, leave a comment down below asking any questions you have about what we covered here today. I will reply back. My AI might help me out a little bit, but you'll also get a link if you comment down below into my free bonuses where you can get started immediately, not get a 14-day free trial, but a 30-day free trial. So you can get your first paying client to cover the cost of any tools, anything you're doing. And beyond that is just pure profit. That's it for me today, guys. I hope you had a great time in this video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.